Hey Gypsy nurses! One of the great new features of our improved registered user profile on the gypsynurse.com is the ability to connect with other nurses. The easiest way to do that is to log into your user profile and from there go to Get Connected. This will bring you to a search area in which you can find other members of the gypsynurse.com. Now remember, connecting is by permission only, so you can send somebody a connection request, but they have to accept it in order for you to be connected and start communicating with them. In this instance, I am going to search for my friend Amber, and as you start typing, it will present you with different connection options. And you can see Amber comes up as a selection. I'm going to send her a message to start the conversation, and once she accepts it, we can start communicating.